Hello everyone, this is How I Love Geometry. I'm Mr. Chao. This problem is from 2010, Aime problem number 11. Let R be the region consisting of the set of points in the coordinate plane that satisfy both. So the region is included. This is two lines, right? And this is the third line. So it will got a region R. When R is revolved around the line whose equation is 3y minus x equals 15 is the same of this line. But this is an inequality, and here is the line equation, right? So when it revolved, and it will become a solid, right? The volume of the resulting solid, we know, for example, if this is the axis, the rectangle revolved, so it will be a cylinder. If is a right triangle, when it revolved, what it will be? Is a cone, right? When is a semicircle, when it revolved, it will be a sphere, right? That's revolve. Sometimes we say it's rotate. It's the same thing. So it's clear. First, we should draw the scratch diagram, and to know the region R, then we just calculate and to analyze which solid it will, when we revolved, what will be, which type of solid when we can got, right? So first we just scratch diagram, so it can't be so accurate. And let's try this one. Okay. It's first we just analyze this one. How much? When x is 8 minus x plus y less than 10. So when x is less than or equal 8, less than or equal 8, so it will be 8 minus x plus y less than 10. We can get y less than y less than x plus 2. So first we should draw the scratch of this y equals x plus 2. So let us go 2, 4, 6, 8. Here's 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. And also here is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Okay, so the slope is 1. We can got, it's almost like this way. Okay, that's the line y equals x plus 2. Here is 8. I mean, we just, here is when x less than 8, right? That's what we need. Okay, let's go ahead. And when x is greater than 8, then we will get this one now becomes x minus 8 plus y less than 10. So it's y less than negative x plus 18, right? So this the y-intercept, this line y equals x plus 18, right? And so y equals negative x. So slope is negative 1, negative 1. This is the y-intercept. X is 0, y is 18. And when x equals how much? When x equals 18, x equals 18, y will be, so here is 18. So the line likes this way, right? So let us calculate the intercept for these two lines, and y less than x plus 2, so it must be under this line, and y less than negative x, it will be less than this part, so here is an under of this line and under this line. For now we want to find the intersecting point. So intersection point, we just put them together. X plus 2 equals negative x plus 18. So 2x equals 16, right? Equals 16, x equals 8, and y equals 10, right? Because y equals x plus 2. Or you can say negative x plus 18. So it's 8 plus 2 is 10. So the intersecting point, let's say P, and this will be x is 8 and y equals 10. Now we find this one, so and now let's draw the line 3y equal 3y minus x equals 15, right? Then we will get 3y equals x plus 15, y equals 1/3 x plus divided by 3, that's 5. So that's y-intercept for this line. And the slope, and its slope is 1/3. Slope is 1/3, and then we can draw like this way. It's not so sharp. Almost like that. Okay, we can find the two intercept, because this is 3y minus x greater than 15. I mean 3y greater than x plus 15. So the area should be is up. Then the area R will be here. This triangle, right? This small triangle. Now we want to find the coordinate of the point PQ. This point is R, right? We find, then we just put them to, this line is x plus 2, y equals x plus, and this equals 3x plus 5. So what will be the intersect point? So this is 1/3 x plus 2, and this one is y equals negative x plus 18, and this line is y equals 1/3 x plus 5. So we got 2/3, right? Each side minus 2/3 x equals 3. So x equals 3 times 3 over 2, so is 9 over 2, that's x. Then y equals x plus 2, so plus 2, so 13. It means point Q is 9/2, comma 13/2. That's it. Okay, let's find the point R. So point R, here is QR. Here we want to find the P and the region R, right? These are. we just use S, okay? Use S. Don't want to repeat the region R, just the S, point S, okay? Doesn't matter, it's not a big deal, okay? And we know y equals 3/3 plus 5 now, and this line, the equation of that is negative x plus 18, so it will be each side plus x. 4/3 x equals 13, so x equals 39/4, and then I want to find y equals negative, so for 39 plus 18, that's 72/4, so 30, so 33/4, right? Then now we got the coordinate of this point is 39/4 and 33/4. And now we can go ahead because we want to revolve, right? Revolve. Now we can revolve, and then I just draw the area like this way. Revolve, right? We will revolve along this axis. So we know this is a triangle, correct? Yes. When we revolve it, it's like, if we just cut this one into two parts, and we know this is a right triangle, when we revolve it, it will become a cone. And this part, when we revolve, also a cone. So these two cones have the same base, and the base circle you can draw like this way. So this circle radius is just the distance from the point P to the line y equals x, 1/3 x plus 5. So if we got this, then we got the r radius of this circle, the base circle, then we can get the area of the base circle. Now we just need to know how long from the point Q to this point. We can say T, QT, and TW, right? But all of them, these two cones have the same base, so we just calculate QW, how long for QW. Then use the same formula to get the volume. And now, first we should calculate the distance for QW. QW, we can use the formula. This one, 39/4 minus this one, that's 18/4, right? Squared plus 33/4 minus 26/4, then squared. Take the square root of that. We can get this is 20. This is 39 minus 18, so is 21. 21 squared is 441/4 squared, and plus here is 7. 33. 33 minus 26, 7 squared, 49/4 squared. Then finally we got this one. So that's how much? 490. So is 7 square root 10, right? 49 times 10, and here the denominator is 4. That's the distance for this. And we want to find the distance from P to the line y, so we can use the formula. Got the distance equals, now x is point P is 8, 10. So we just use 8, plug in this x, so 8/3, and we should got is the standard form. That's formula 3 1/3 x minus y plus 5 equals to 0. Then we just plug in into it. So 8/3 minus, here is y is 10, minus 10 plus 5 absolute value. Then got the square root of 1/3 squared plus -1 squared. So what we got? -5. So here is -10, -5. -5, we got 3/8 minus -5 is 3/15. So here is 3. So it is 9 square root of 10. So we got that's 7/3 and the square root of 10/3, 3 and 3. So what we got? So it's 7 over square root of 10. Now we can calculate the volume. So the volume is 1/3 times the area of this base circle. So the R equals this one, right? Oh, that's R. R is this one. So 7 over square root of 10 squared R squared pi R squared, right? Pi R squared is the times, then times height. The height now we know is 7 times square root of 10 over 4. So what's that? 1/3 times, here is 49 over 10, then pi, then times, this is 7 times square root of 10, here is 4, and we know, so square root of 10, the final form, it'll need a, let us write m times pi over n square root of p. So here is square root of 10 and here is 10. We can get this and make it like this way. So it will be 12 square root of 10. Now 49 times 7 is how much? 49 times 7. Yeah, 50 times 7. 343. So the final answer, m plus n plus p, is 343 plus 12 plus 10, so equals 22. 365, that's it, right? Okay, done. Finally we got it. This problem, I think, is not hard, but is a little complicated. But if we have clear basic knowledge about the line equation and know how to find the area for the region of R, and know the solid of when after revolving, and this problem is logically is very clear. We just step by step and got some calculation. That's it. Okay. I hope you can enjoy it. Thank you.